And this is Kimmy Kim, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box unboxing, actually, from ZENPOP Japan, JP. And this is my first time trying ZENPOP. And what it is it's a Japanese stationery monthly subscription. And we'll just get right into it. I love the little guy here. So cute. So stinking cute. Okay, first you get a little thank you card. Thank you so much for choosing ZENPOP, and it's just let us know if we can help you. Let's see. It's a Japanese online shopping service. And for new users, there's a special offer. If you use the promo code QR-code, then you save some money there. I think that's in yen. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure what that is, American dollars. So cute. So excited. I've waited so long. I ordered this before Christmas, and it was for the Happy New Year pack. It's a December 2017 pack. So you get it. It takes 28 days approximately for you to receive it. So this is ZENPOP has different things that on their site. They have a monthly subscription for noodles, for Japanese snacks, all kinds of really awesome things. I just chose the stationery pack because that's, my thing. And let's see, there's a zebra mechanical pencil, a UniStyle Fit pen. I guess we'll just go through a Japanese calendar, sticky notes. We'll just set this here and go through. So here, this is just a sticky note. Amamori sticky notes, it's called. It let's see, it says that there are different versions to help bring good luck or protect you from harm. It's a custom in Japan to bring an old omari, I think that's how you say it, to be burned at a shrine around the new year, and get a new one for the new year wishes. You can write any wish on this omari sticky note, but you can also give one to your friends with a wish for them. Oh, that's really cool. And there's 20 on there, so you can make 20 wishes. So it's omari sticky notes. That is so stinking cute. And that's that. Let's see. This is a little mini memo and eraser set. Oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. Look at that. Look at the erasers. Oh my gosh, it's bread and paws. That is so cute. I'm guessing that's bread. I think so. Too stinking cute. So this is Cornaya is a cat who lives at a bakery. He's very shy. He tends to hide in chocolate cornet when he talks to new friends. This mini memo set includes 6 patterns of it and also includes 6 tiny cute erasers. So there's the erasers. And the character name has a lot of meaning. It's it says it's a triple pun. Koroko is an onomatopoeia used to describe something rolling. And a cornet is this type of bakery treat our cat rolls around in. Nai is what a cat says in Japan. Stick it all together and that's where you get the name from. Aw, cool. I wouldn't have known. Too stinking cute. Look at all these Post-its. This one's got their bakery. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. This one, he's on his phone. Too sweet. Oh, I love them. Look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Very cute. Super cute. Loving that. Okay, and this is, let's see, San X Sumiko Memo Pad. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing these all right. Let's see. It says some of the most famous characters from San X Sumiko means corner and to live. These characters are named like this because they like to live or stay in the corner. Japanese tend to like Sumiko as their characters do. So it might also express some features of Japanese people. Too sweet. Aww. Look how cute. Oh, they're drinking their little drinks. Here they're eating their noodles. That is so adorable. Very cute. Okay, let's see. This is mechanical pencil. A quality mechanical pencil from Zebra. Mechanical pencils, okay, it has a body grip. The body is thinner than other mechanical pencils so that it's easier to hold, and the grip has air pockets. Yeah, I can feel that. It's got little pockets in there, making it very comfortable to use for any amount of time. It's a 0.5 millimeter lead, and I've been needing one of these. Let's see, this one is a UniStyle Fit colored gel pen. Yeah, it doesn't look like a gel pen, but it is. Popular pen from Uni. A Style Fit is a versatile series of mix and match bodies and ink color variations. This is a slim version with a single color and is a cute compact shape, so smooth to write with. You'll get one of 4 colors. So this is a blue-black. And it's a very fine point. It's 0.28. So that is cute. Very cute. Let's see. Oh, it writes nicely. It's really thin though. I write so hard. Okay, this is a color gradient black ink ballpoint pen with an adorable colorful body. This pen is known as a pen which is easy to write among students. Plus it looks great in pictures as well as being a useful and fun tool to use for your bullet journals, studying, or notebooks. That is super fine too, 0.38. Oh, but that writes nice. Oh, I like that one. The other one was a little too fine for me, but this one I really like. It's a great pen. Okay, let's see. And then we have some washi. Let's see what they say about their washi. Just says 3 patterns, 7mm washi tapes, and from high quality printing. Too cute. And that's the designer there. They call it masking tape on here. Okay, Daruma erasers. Daruma is a traditional Japanese tumbler doll representing Bodhidharma Dharma, who founded the Zen sect of Buddhism. Let's see, we draw with the left eye and makes a wish before we display it. And if the wish comes true, we draw in the right eye. Oh, I see. See their eyes? Make a wish to Daruma eraser before you use it, and write an eye if your wish comes true. New Year is the time when many people make wishes for the future. That is so cool. Very cool. Let's see. What is this? Ah, okay. This is a type of stationery that in Japan there's a custom to give gifts of cash money for celebration. Whoop. Let's see. For celebratory occasions. This gift of money is called, I have no idea how to say this, gashugi. And the envelope which we use when we hand over gashugi is called, oh gosh, don't even know how to say this, shugibukuro? I have no idea. I'm like, that's the word right there, and I'm killing it. You put the money in the envelope and then wrap it up with the fancy paper and write the recipient's name on the front strip. Oh, wow. That is fancy. Let's see. I think this slides off. Oh, here's, oh, okay. This is the envelope to put the money in, right here. And this is the card. Fancy. Fancy pants. I'm assuming you slide it in here. Oh, you slide it here. There we go. There's a pocket. So that's the presentation of it. And there's your money. That is really neat. Very, very cool. I'm not sure if this stays in here like this. I don't know what they say, so I can't read them. Okay. Now here, let's see what kind of Post-its these are. Miss Time sticky notes. Unique sticky notes featuring designs from popular Chinese company Miss Time. These designs capture a summer Japanese feeling. During the new year, enjoy a nice feeling of warm days to come. So there were 4 different patterns. There were rain boots, baskets, noodles, and bicycles. And I got the basket. That's cute. Very cute. And here is the Japanese calendar. It says a new desk calendar for a new year. This is a simple calendar made in Japan with Japanese holidays. And Roku-yu, which means Japanese calendars, 6 levels of luck. Very cool. Of course, I can't read it because it's all in Japanese. But it does tell you here what they mean. Bad luck all day except at noon. Good luck all day. Bad luck all day. Bad luck in the morning. Good luck in the afternoon. Good luck all day except at noon. Good luck in the morning. Bad luck in the afternoon. That is wild. Very, very cool. So each day, yeah, it has the different looks. That is cool. And it stands up. You can prop it up. The little puppies. And last but not least, let's see. These are just little stickers. Very cute. So, so sweet. They have stars and hearts. Those are adorable. So that was a good deal. The box was $29.99. It's $29.99 a month. And but you get quite a bit, a lot of things in it here. And these are really high quality pens. I just know from my past in coloring, and I have, you know me and my pens, I have a huge collection of color pencils, pens, markers, all kinds of things, and the Uni is a really good brand. Let's see, which one was this? The Style Fit. They're all very high quality brands. And you get quite a bit. So I'm pleased with it. I don't know that I will do it this next month. I'm trying to think what the theme was, but the theme wasn't something I was too interested in. But I will definitely check on it every month and see what's new and order another one. So just wanted to share that with y'all, the ZENPOP .jp, which is Japan. Go ahead and check it out, and I will link it below so you can take a look at it. Thanks everyone, and be safe and stay warm.